Welcome, everyone. Today we are exploring a game-changing skill within Microsoft 365 Copilot, transitioning your most valuable conversations from a transient chat log into a persistent, collaborative Copilot notebook. Let's elevate how we manage our AI interactions. Let's begin by understanding the environment we are working in. Standard Copilot chat is incredibly powerful, but it is fundamentally a linear, transient interface. It is designed for quick answers, drafting an email, summarizing a meeting, or answering a specific question. The basics of this interface dictate that as you continue to work and ask new questions, your older conversations are pushed further down the feed. Why is this a problem? Because when you stumble upon a brilliant, strategic idea or a complex piece of code with the AI, leaving it in that scrolling feed means you will likely lose it. It forces you to constantly search your history. In our deep dive today, we are going to fix this. We must stop treating Copilot like a disposable search engine and start treating it as a continuous thought partner. To do that, we have to rescue our best conversations from the scrolling abyss. Take a look at this flowchart on your screen, which illustrates the life cycle of your daily AI prompts. You start at the top, feeding prompts into the standard Copilot chat. These inputs and their brilliant outputs flow directly into a linear scrolling feed. At the decision diamond, you face a critical choice regarding your most valuable ideas. If you take the left path and leave them in the chat, they're inevitably pushed down and lost to time. Our goal today is to master the right path, extracting those insights so they are permanently saved for long-term, high-value business use. To rescue our conversations, we need a destination. That destination is Copilot Notebooks. What exactly is a notebook? It is a persistent, dedicated AI workspace built directly into Microsoft 365. Unlike the scrolling chat window, a notebook acts as a stable, blank canvas where you can save, organize, and synthesize massive amounts of information. Why do we use it? Because complex business problem-solving doesn't happen in a single prompt. It spans days, weeks, or even months. Notebooks provide the stable architecture required for that longevity. How it shifts your workflow is profound. You move from casually chatting with an AI to deliberately documenting an evolving strategy. For our deep dive, it is crucial to understand that a Copilot notebook is not a dead, static text file. It is a dynamic workspace. Copilot lives inside the notebook with you, ready to analyze and iterate on the very conversations you just saved. This mind map breaks down the core architecture of a Copilot notebook. At the center, we have the notebook itself. Notice the three main branches. First, it is a persistent workspace, meaning it survives session closes. You can close your browser, come back tomorrow, and it's right there. Second, it is a place to organize saved chats, turning chaotic logs into structured project data. Third, and most importantly, it enables continuous AI reasoning. The AI doesn't stop working once the chat is saved. It uses the notebook as a foundation for highly iterative problem solving. Let's get into the mechanics of actually adding a conversation to a notebook. What does this entail? It is the deliberate, strategic action of transferring a highly valuable Copilot response out of the temporary chat feed and into your permanent workspace. The basics involve a simple UI shift, moving your focus from the chat pane into the notebook environment within Microsoft 365. Why must we do this? Because when Copilot generates a flawless strategic outline or a complex data analysis, you want to preserve that exact wording and structure for future expansion without having to reprompt the AI from scratch. How do you do it? You open your notebook from the Microsoft 365 interface, navigate to the specific section or page you are building, and insert the saved chat content directly into it. The deep dive realization here is profound. By doing this, you are decoupling the intelligence from the timeline. The insight is no longer buried on Tuesday at 2 p.m. It is now formally anchored to your project deliverables. Let's trace this workflow using a sequence diagram. First, the user prompts Copilot chat to generate a strategic idea. Second, the chat delivers a high-value insight. Step 3 is a human cognitive step. The user identifies this insight as keepable too good to lose. In Step 4, the user opens their targeted Copilot notebook section. Step 5 is the execution, where the user inserts and saves the chat content directly into the notebook. Finally, in Step 6, the system confirms that the insight is now permanently anchored and safe from the scrolling feed. Once you have successfully added your conversation to the notebook, the real magic begins: augmentation. What does it mean to augment a saved chat? It means enhancing that raw AI-generated text by injecting your own human context and linking external files. The basics are just like using a word processor. Once the chat is in the notebook, you can click right in, edit the paragraphs, add your own personal notes, and upload supporting documents. Why is this necessary? Because a raw AI response, no matter how good, is rarely a finished, executive-ready product. It requires your domain expertise to become truly actionable. How do you augment it? You type directly alongside the AI's text, and you utilize the Add References button to link up to 20 external files from your OneDrive or SharePoint. In our deep dive, we recognize that you are building a compound document. The notebook becomes a centralized hub that perfectly blends the AI's initial brainstorm with your proprietary spreadsheets, PDFs, and slide decks. Take a look at how data converges in this flowchart. In the center, we have the Copilot Notebook Hub. Feeding into it from the top left is our foundational piece, the saved AI conversation. But notice what else feeds into the hub. We have human notes and edits bringing in your expertise, and external files bringing in your hard data. All three of these distinct data streams merge inside the notebook. The output at the bottom is a compound project artifact, resulting in a rich, highly contextual workspace that is far more valuable than the original chat alone. You have saved your chat, added your notes, and attached your files. Now, we iterate. What is iteration in this context? It is engaging the AI directly within the notebook interface to process all this newly combined data. The basics here are brilliant. The notebook actually has its own dedicated Copilot chat box, distinct from the main app, which is designed to read everything currently sitting on your notebook page. Why is this so efficient? Because it allows you to rapidly summarize, rewrite, or brainstorm against your custom dataset without ever having to copy and paste text back and forth. How do you use it? Simply go to the notebook's chat pane and type, "Summarize all the information I have collected here." Our deep dive reveals a massive security and accuracy benefit. The notebook acts as a custom grounding boundary. When you ask the notebook's AI a question, it puts blinders on. It strictly reasons over the specific chats and files you deliberately placed inside it, entirely eliminating irrelevant noise from the rest of your company's network. This horizontal flow maps out the iterative loop inside the notebook. On the far left, you have your curated notebook content, which includes your saved chats and files. This data feeds directly into the Notebook Copilot pane. When you issue a user prompt, you can branch into different tasks. You can summarize, rewrite for tone, or brainstorm new ideas. Notice how all of these outputs flow to the right and are appended to the notebook. You are continuously enriching your own workspace, using the AI to refine the very data the AI helped you create. Now we elevate this from a solo productivity hack to a team superpower, asynchronous collaboration. What is this? It is using your Copilot notebook as a shared team environment where your colleagues can review and build upon the AI conversations you saved, entirely at their own pace. The basics are simple. Just like a Word document, Copilot notebooks can be shared with your teammates. Why is this so critical for modern business? Because collaboration rarely happens at the exact same moment. Your team needs a stable, centralized place to review the complex AI research you've done. How does it work? You share the notebook link. Your teammates open it, read the exact chat history you saved, and can leave comments or append their own data. The deep dive here is about organizational culture. This workflow prevents the silo effect of generative AI. Instead of one employee hoarding brilliant AI insights in a private, unshareable chat log, the intelligence is democratized, shared, and rigorously validated by the collective expertise of the team. Look at this collaboration graph. It starts at the top when the user saves a chat to the notebook and shares the link. This link goes out globally, reaching colleague 1 in Asia and colleague 2 in Europe. Because the workspace is persistent, colleague 1 can review the AI chat and add notes during their workday. Hours later, colleague 2 can question the AI logic and attach a new file. All this asynchronous effort converges at the bottom into a unified, validated team strategy. The notebook bridges the gaps of both time zones and AI literacy. To complete our workflow, we must understand how notebooks interact with Copilot pages. What is the difference? If notebooks are for deep, asynchronous research, Copilot pages are for live, real-time multiplayer execution. The basics involve moving your refined content out of the research phase and onto an editable, shareable canvas. Why do we do this? Because once the heavy lifting, the data synthesis and chat organization is finished in the notebook, your team needs a fluid document to finalize the actual deliverable. How is it done? With your refined AI output ready, you select Edit in Pages. This instantly transforms the static text into a live loop component. The deep dive here reveals the ultimate end-to-end lifecycle of an enterprise AI task. You start with a raw, messy prompt in standard chat. You save and refine that output deeply over time in a notebook. Finally, you push it to Copilot pages for real-time team execution and final delivery. It is a seamless pipeline of productivity. This horizontal flowchart perfectly encapsulates the AI content lifecycle. We start on the left at stage 1, Copilot chat, where the initial idea is formed. We then save the valuable output into stage 2, the Copilot notebook. Notice the self-looping arrow here representing deep research and augmentation. This is where the thinking happens. Once the thought process matures, we push it to a live canvas at stage 3, Copilot pages. Here, real-time multiplayer editing takes over, resulting in the final business deliverable. 3 distinct tools, 1 perfect workflow. Let's bring all this theory into a high-stakes, real-world business case, the campaign strategy pivot. Imagine an unexpected market shift occurs, and your VP demands a completely new Q4 marketing strategy in 48 hours. Panic sets in. But you have Copilot. Step 1, you open standard Copilot chat and brainstorm 5 new angles to address the market shift. The AI produces a brilliant, raw list. Step 2, you know this is gold, so instead of leaving it in the scrolling feed, you instantly add this conversation to a brand new Copilot notebook titled Q4 Pivot. Step 3, you augment. You upload the revised budget spreadsheet and 3 PDFs of past campaign performance directly into the notebook's references. The result, you now have a custom AI reasoning engine. You ask the notebook to synthesize that initial chat brainstorm with the hard realities of your new budget. You share the notebook link with your global team, allowing them to asynchronously validate the data and finalize a bulletproof new strategy. By rescuing a simple chat and moving it to a notebook, you save the quarter. Our final sequence diagram walks through the Q4 pivot. The manager starts by brainstorming with Copilot chat, generating a raw strategy list. Recognizing its value, the manager executes step 3, saving the chat and uploading budget data into the notebook hub. In step 4, the hub synthesizes the creative chat with the hard financials. The manager then shares this rich workspace with the global team for asynchronous review. The team validates the strategy within the hub, leading to step 7, the delivery of a final, data-backed Q4 plan in record time.
To find related ebook and other material for this training course, go to quicktechie.com. Now you will see all the video courses are available here. So let's move to the ebooks. You can go here, ebooks, all AI related ebooks like you are watching currently mythos related training. That ebook would be uploaded under this section. You can download this ebook. PDF would be available, all 300-page PDF. So you just click on the download this entire ebook. You can download from this section. So whatever training you are currently listening, corresponding ebook would be available. We have thousands of ebooks available. Now, other than that, we have on video courses which you are watching right now. This also all AI related courses are available. Similarly, for all company related trainings are available, like Microsoft, you can find it here with their respective certification training modules. All exam simulators which would help you to get the certification preparation. Just refresh if you get this kind of error. Okay, so now you can see these are all certification preparation materials. Will also be click here to the NVIDIA certification preparation material. So you can see all NVIDIA certification preparation materials. Click on any of this and it would load the entire screen and you can launch the practice paper. So this is what you can see, that you can submit the answer. We have an audiobooks available. Okay, so for each section, and these are our alumni who can you can find out all alumni who are accessing our portal.